Hi, son.
Hey, it's okay. He doesn't know what that thing is in front of him. Is the hiccup starting to bother you? Let me see. Probably.
It's gross. Oh. Put him more towards the light. Let me see.
If your hiccups go away, then you can get some food in ya.